Welcome to the High Info E-Club. Today I'm going to show you how to create Discord voice and text channels. Click on the server name and click on the Create category. Now give the category name. Click on the plus mark to create channel. Now let's create voice channels. If you need another channel like admin voice and text channel, you can create like this. If you need to arrange category, click on the category and drag and drop like this. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to get new updates. Have a good day. See you guys in the next video.